Oga, I'm done. No.
So how much is my bill?
2,500.
Now wow! This service is cost though.
Oga, no.
And I won't make a fine for this country again now.
Oga, it's not like that though. It's the price.
You want to finish my money
Oga,
now?
give me. Thank you, sir. Thank you. How did you stop that?
So you're projecting like this. I hope you're okay.
Yes, ma'am. Are you sure? Yes, ma'am. I just finished with customer.
Customer though? Hold on, no. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let me get to the office. Customer, well done, no? Attend to me well.
Yes.
You sure you're okay?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, God.
Really gets like too big, too big company that will supply my hair. Now. Listen, there's something I want to tell you.
I'm listening.
See, we are in the 21st century. And we need to start doing things in that shop to be up to date. You understand? There is no organization or any office that doesn't have either a secretary or a cashier. You understand? We cannot be jack of all trade, master of none. We need to have a body or a person that will be handling the financial aspect of the company. Somebody, anytime money comes in, money goes out, the way everything, taking record of everything, how it comes in and how it goes out. You cannot, be doing everything by yourself.
You have a point.
Yes, I do. We need either a cashier or a secretary so that these girls will not, be handling money. Let them report everything to the cashier. You understand? That's what we need to do.
You mean those girls have been collecting my money without my notice?
No, it's not what I'm saying. But in order to prevent it from happening soonest, money will soon start coming into your office. You cannot be allowing those girls handle money and also be handling hair. You understand? Let them face salon work and leave money and finances to the cashier.
Then how can we get one?
Is that what you're saying, small? Leave that to me. I will get one for you. I know how to handle it.
Yes.
Yes.
I trust you.